Hi, welcome to Victoria Bossa's How To, where I give you the basic skills to excel as a PR professional. Today, I'm going to give you tips on how to stay positive in a negative situation. How to stay positive in a negative situation. Replace your negative thoughts with positive thoughts. Do you sometimes become pessimistic and lose hope when you fail or when you face difficulties? Do you know that you can change your attitude and maintain a positive attitude even when you face difficulties? Ex-Olympian Mary Lou Retton says, "Optimism is a happiness magnet. If you stay positive, good things and good people will be drawn to you." You can learn to stay positive in a negative situation by striving to make it a habit to replace each negative thought with a positive one. You need to be aware of the thoughts that are passing through your mind, and if they are negative, immediately shift your attention to other happier and optimistic thoughts. Get enough sleep. When you are tired and exhausted, it is much easier to become negative, frustrated, and unhappy. Strive not to overwork and exhaust yourself. You should get enough sleep at night and get some rest every now and then. Sleep and rest calm your body and your mind. When you are calm, it is easier to deal with negativities and not let them affect you. Bring more positivity into your life. Try to be around positive people. Positivity is contagious. By being around positive people, gradually you will notice that you are becoming positive too. Take action, be more active, start new projects, and do things that bring happiness into your life. Watch funny and entertaining movies and read positive quotes and inspirational quotes. It would be a good idea to read about successful people who did not allow their circumstances to limit their dreams and their goals. All this will affect your state of mind. Focus on solutions, not on problems. When things are tough, you tend to focus on the problems. Focusing on problems makes them grow, and if you don't do anything about them, you become unhappy, frustrated, and pessimistic. If you maintain a positive attitude, believe that there is a solution, and keep looking for it, you will ultimately find it. Do not take anything too personally. Strive not to take things personally, what people think and say about you. There is no reason in the world to allow their thoughts and words hurt you. It is you who allow your thoughts and words to affect how you feel. Often people are not even aware that they are hurting you. Don't keep thinking about what people said and why they said it. They might have meant something different, and you might have misunderstood them. They might have been joking, or what they said was not about you at all. You need to learn to let go of anger, resentment, and hurt feelings. And this becomes possible with just a little degree of emotional detachment, which is another term for letting go. Exercise your body. Exercising your body improves your health, your energy level, and your inner strength. This makes it easier to think positively and face difficult situations with confidence and assertiveness and deal with them more effectively. Any kind of exercise is beneficial. You may walk, swim, or play football, or go to the gym, or do anything else that you like. If you don't usually exercise your body, start gradually. Do not overdo it. Have you got any tips, tricks, or strategies you'd like to share with the channel? Do get them in the comments below. And if you like what you've seen, please go ahead and subscribe. But until next time, I'll see you then.